Hi everyone, I'm Yosi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and welcome back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. This week, we're going to discuss the many ways you as an Odoo partner can be more effective and increase your impact on your potential customers. Today, we are going to look at the Odoo Certification and how it can serve as a powerful tool in attracting new customers and winning them over. A certification from Odoo is the indispensable certificate to have for any IT professional collaborating and building their business with Odoo. You start off by taking the Elearning Course, which is designed to help you understand the main functional concepts of Odoo and pass the partner assessment. Maybe right now you don't have a true grasp of the functional concepts in Odoo, but by the end of the certification process, you will take the assessment confidently and be an expert. With the Odoo certification under your belt, you will be in high demand by potential customers and clients seeking to have expert help with them understanding the system. The certification test will cover how to navigate the following applications: MRP, e-commerce, HR, accounting, inventory, CRM, sales, purchase, project, and timesheets. Remember, by having such a broad knowledge of how Odoo works, you'll be able to teach others. Many partners also use this certification to offer ongoing training to end users, as well as another stream of income. Make that money. The examination format goes as followed. First of all, it's online and offered 24 hours a day, 365 days a year with 80 randomized questions per exam. That means it's flexible for you. A score of 70% is required to pass and be certified. The test is timed for 1 hour, and unfortunately, no free retake possibilities are available. Certifications are specific to an Odoo version, for example, version 13 or version 14. But what is the preparation process like? For those who wish to sit for the exam, it is recommended but not required that a candidate is familiar with Odoo's functional content. This knowledge can be acquired by viewing the videos on the e-learning platform. It is also recommended that those sitting on the exam have some degree of practical Odoo work. And finally, what about the actual certification? A successful candidate will be able to download his or her certificate issued by Odoo and may use the professional designation of Certified Odoo Professional. Odoo partners who meet the requirements will be mentioned as certified Odoo partners on our website. Remember to invest in yourself, invest in the future, and join us in this revolution with Odoo. I encourage you to touch base with us directly or with one of our passionate partnership managers to better understand how implementing Odoo is a recipe for continued success. As always, thank you so much for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and Odoo it all!